Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with some entertainment news. And yes, I am as shocked as you are. I am shocked. Real Housewives of Durban is coming back, right? And Khopolo reported, teaser, this, yeah, Nonku Williams is married in the new season of Real Housewives of Durban. Remember, we last saw Real Housewives of Durban last year. So, last year, 2024. 2025, but Nonku is married. Ufage earring. All right, let's continue reading. New divinely married Makoti and one of the longest serving cast members, the Real Housewives of Durban, has something to say about her marriage. Season 5 is dropping soon. Which marriage, guys? Like, when did Nonku get married? Why were we not invited? What's happening? Who did Nonku get married to? Or Unonku got married to Profeto? No, Angeke. Clarify, please come. Fans of Nonku Williams, come. I know you guys have all the answers in the world. Give us the answers. Who is Nonku Williams married to? And when did Ugo get married? And so fast, Kanchani, with which man? I'm confused. But yeah, while you're at it, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.